Hey, what's happening, everybody? So today we're just gonna open up a couple of M2s, take a closer look, and then the opening scene was this nice little moving parts Porsche from my last video. It's pretty nice. If you find one, pick it up. It is pretty good. But anyways, so we have from the Frozen Black Pearl edition, which came out a little while back, the 58 Chevy Impala. Then we have this nice truck here, the 75 Chevy Cheyenne Super 10 Custom SS. And this 63 Ford Econoline delivery van. Should go ahead and open this up first since I already don't have the other parts to this. So remember I was going to open one of these before, then I didn't have the tools with me at the time. So I should probably take this off of here first. Alright. Just with these, gotta make sure you have the right size screwdriver to take it off its base. So, and well, I haven't really done too much hunting. Oh, come on. There we go. So, let's see on, okay, there we go. It's a nice little display stand. Maui & Sons. Ooh, these are actually some skinny tires on this one. These are some thin tires. Used under license. But I do like the rims on it though. Those rims look nice. Maui & Sons. 1963. So, I picked this one up quite some time ago. Had like a salmon kind of color interior, kind of looks like. Yeah. See how this rolls, because I know the Skyline rolled a little funky. Alright, not too terrible. Not too bad. So, yeah, not too bad. But anyways, well, I won't bore y'all with putting it all back together. Set that to the side for now. But my local Walmart did get in the Legends Tour shipper, which I was a little late to, but not totally late to, because there were still plenty of the Zamek box sets, which is a really awesome set, but I just can't afford to pick it up at the moment. So I kind of did a thing that never really do, but some people do, and I ended up doing said thing. I kind of found a hiding spot. Saw them on Thursday, and then I went back on Friday afternoon on my way to work, and they happened to still have them there, so I took one and hid one somewhere, and then I was there today just to pick up a few groceries that I could get, and it was still in the hiding spot that I put it at. So I think I found a pretty good hiding spot. So Tuesday night, hopefully I can afford to go pick that up because it's pretty awesome. Got that nice Civic in there and a Sprinter Trolino. Yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, when I looked today, there wasn't really anything new that went out. Alright. Come on. Well, looks like we got enough of it off of there. Alright. Screws are out enough for the car to come off. Oh, there we go. There they go. That's the only downside to these. Gotta make sure you have tools. But anyway, here's the 58 Chevy Impala, which, alright, let's give it the roll test first. This roll's pretty nice. Nice and smooth for the one. A little bit of a wobble. But that looks pretty nice. It looks like we have some opening parts on this one, maybe. Yep, we got some opening doors. Let's take a look at the front there. I'm not sure if this hood might open or not. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Here's the back side. Pretty good. Alright, let's open the driver's side door. Alright. There we go. And I don't think this hood does anything. Yep, okay, we do have an opening hood as well. Wow. Opening doors and an opening hood. Nice. Alright. There you go. Cool. Alright. Not bad. So this one got some opening parts on this one. Cool. And then these are actually, yeah, these are thin tires as well. Cast line incorporated. So if you just had this like this, you'd have no idea that it was an M2. Just looking at the bottoms. Cast line. This is not too shabby. Alright. Now let's check out this sweet looking truck. Yes. Let's get this one and see. Right. Oh, so I gotta. Alright. Trying to do this one nice so I can put it all back together. A nice little display. Alright. Here we go. Yeah. Let's loosen this guy up. Come on, let's open up. And I also did go to my nearest Dollar Tree today. Nothing new there either. I did find a new ice cream. Butterfinger ice cream bars. They got them. You can find them individually at the Dollar Tree for the $1.25. So I picked one of those up. Tried that. That's pretty good. All right, come on, this one. All right, this one does not want to come loose. Right. All right. Well. I guess we'll just have to take a look at it like this, maybe, huh? Oh, there we go. Oh, now we're getting somewhere. I got to really press on this one. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Man, this one's being stubborn. Alright, well, there's one. Let's see if we can get this other one out of here. Come on. Oh, almost. almost there. There we go. All right. This one's got a little thicker tires on it. Good. All right, there's the back side. Some little like plastic inserts for the lights. It looks like. There's the bed. It's up, sitting up kind of high. But yeah, those rims on here look really cool. Awesome. There's the front end. Looking good. Very cool. We gotta look at the inside there. Okay, the hood doesn't want to come open. It opens, but it doesn't want to come up. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we got a little paint issue under the hood there. There you go. Stay under. All right. It's all right. Let's see how this rolls. See how that looks rolling. It's all right. There you go. A few M2 openings for today. Thank you all for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.